Students, in this chapter we have to learn about the use of information technology and the areas where the computers are being used. Information technology. It refers to the management and the use of information using computer-based tools. Information technology means the use of hardware, software, services and supporting infrastructure to manage and deliver information using voices, data and video. Information technology is a technology that helps to process information. Basically, information technology enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of information in a variety of strategic, tactical and operational situations. The information system, which is used to help to build information technology, is called information system. ITES. It stands for Information Technology Enabled Service. It is defined as outsourcing of processes that can be enabled with information technology and covers diverse areas like finance, human resources, administrations, healthcare, telecommunication and manufacturing, etc. Look at the diagram given below. Diagram will explain all IT enabled services. Information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of service is called IT enabled services. The most important aspect is the value addition of IT enabled service. The value addition could be in the form of customer relationship management, improved database, improved look and feel, etc. The outcome of an IT enabled service is in the two forms. One is the direct improved service and another is the indirect benefits. ऐसा बेनिफिट जो हमको वर्क ख़त्म किए और उसका हमको फ़ायदा मिल गया, ठीक ना, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग डायरेक्ट इम्प्रूव्ड सर्विस। और जहां हमको प्लानिंग के बाद अपना जब हम लोग प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं और जब काम ख़त्म होता है तो ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जो बेनिफिट मिलता है हमको, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग इनडायरेक्ट बेनिफिट्स। जो अलग अलग आपका IT इनेबल्ड सर्विस एरियाज़ है उसको देखिए। पहला है आपका BPO, KPO, बैक ऑफिस ऑपरेशंस, लीगल प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग, लॉजिस्टिक मैनेजमेंट, कॉल सेंटर्स, मेडिकल ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस एक्सेट्रा, और भी इसमें सारा लिस्ट देखिए दिया हुआ है। एक बार उसको सबको ध्यान से देखिए। BPO, it stands for Business Process Outsourcing. It is a kind of outsourcing in which the company outsources a specific activity process related to its business to a third party service provider. For example, payroll, HR, technical support to the customer. BPO allows a company to save cost and also focus on the core activities. The concept of business process outsourcing comes from the fact that companies want to concentrate on the core competency and can outsource other important but non-core processes to third-party service providers. BPO is also the example of IT-enabled services. BPO is of two types: back office outsourcing and front office outsourcing. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देने के आधार पर BPO को 3 भाग में बांटा गया है। पहला है आपका ऑफशोर आउटसोर्सिंग, जब कोई भी कंपनी किसी कंपनी में काम देती है और वो कंपनी उस कंट्री का नहीं होता है। जैसे एग्जांपल लीजिए, अमेरिका ने काम इंडिया को दिया, ठीक है। दूसरा आपका है नियर सोर्स आउटसोर्सिंग। इसमें क्या होता है, जब कंपनी अपने नेबरिंग कंट्री को काम देता है, जैसे मान लीजिए इंडिया की वर्क है, बांग्लादेश कर रहा है, पाकिस्तान कर रहा है, ठीक ना, चाहे पाकिस्तान का वर्क इंडिया कर रहा है। थर्ड आपका है ऑनशोर आउटसोर्सिंग, जब कोई कंपनी अपने कंट्री के अंदर ही काम को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे दे देता है करने के लिए, इसे हम लोग ऑनशोर आउटसोर्सिंग बोलते हैं। द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द BPM, बिजनेस प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट. इट इज a technique or methodology to manage processes and workflow in an organization. The goal of BPM is to increase efficiency, performance, and quickness in the day-to-day operations of a business. BPM has been widely adopted by the organizations, and it is essential for any enterprise business that want to be competitive in today's marketplace. For example, the world's leading airlines utilize BPM to manage flight schedules and terminal operations. With business process management, a company takes a step back and looks at all of the processes in total and individually. The steps in BPM life cycles are given in diagram. One number is design, number 2 is model, number 3 is execute, and 4th is the monitor, and 5th is the optimize. Look at the definition also given there in the diagram. Students, this is the end of this video session, and the remaining topic will be discussed in the part 2 video of this chapter.